Good morning, everybody. Got a new week ahead. Lots of stuff going on this week. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's see what's going on. So today, this the most important thing this week is FOMC. That's the most important thing. We have some auctions going on, and Powell is the most important thing. Pre-market, lots of stuff going on. I'm gonna go to one by one. Pre-market ES gapping up, open, and just keep in mind, last 4 months market was not more than 3 days red. So right now it's breaking the record, and probably it's gonna be trend is gonna be like that, maybe 2 3 days red, then boom again green and go higher. So anyhow, pre-market right now, 15:31 hours upward, 4 hours curved up but not golden cross yet. If the ES 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, we can run up higher. 52.28 and the ES is a key level to watch. Daily MACD is still upward, not dead cross. The only thing is worriness, there's dark blue bars on weekly, but MACD is still upward on ES. But NQ is not the same as ES. So pre-market ES, NQ is much stronger than ES. 15:31 hours upward, 4 hour is upward near having a golden cross. But if you note, the weekly MACD on the NQ is getting very close to have a dead cross. So just keep that in mind. Once it does, go back and look at the charts, and you will see what happens. It's not gonna be good. So I mean, and to be clear, once the weekly MACD dead cross happens, it doesn't necessarily means like we're gonna crash or go down big, but it's gonna be a significant drop. But then it's a high chance go up again. But it's gonna be a good buy opportunity. Just keep that in mind. The Dow Jones, same thing. Weekly MACD is getting near dead cross. RUT, not as bullish as other indexes. 4 hour MACD is golden cross already. It's interesting. ES and NQ, 4 hour MACD is not golden cross yet, but RUT it did already. That's actually interesting. Um, DXY, it's upward on the 15 and 30. It made some jump up after 8:30. That's interesting. Daily MACD is upward between 103, 183, and 103,676. Breaks either one can have a bigger effect on market. TNX is green. Everything is actually green. Really interesting. From ES to VIX, everything is green. That's doesn't look good too good. I don't like that when everything is green. That doesn't look that good in general. TNX is upward and a little bit green too. 43.71. If it passes, not gonna be a good sign. Wix is green. It's been running up a lot last 2 days, so maybe that's why it's green. Maybe it goes lower. 1447 and 1479 key levels to watch. If it goes below 1447, next target is 1414 and 1373. 1 hour is curved down big time, so it is possible today or tomorrow 1373 target to come. But at the same time, keep in mind there is expiration for weeks. Speaks to so right now 51.53. Let me see. ES is how many points higher? ES is 40 points higher, so we are looking at 58. Speaks 58, so already past 53. Targets are 69, 81, and 94. 51, 51.69, 51.81, 51.94. Those are the targets for SPX. With this is if market goes crazy, it is possible 4200 to come, 5200 to come before FOMC. BTC. I noticed I was watching one of my lives. A lot of times I see numbers wrong. I'm sorry if I say 4 5 or 5 4. Anyhow, BTC daily MACD is dead crossing, but it's trying to hold up near 70K. 4 hours still curved up. MSTR is still not crashing, so that means it's good. So until MSTR is not falling, BTC should be good too. ETH daily MACD is already dead cross. Probably is going to establish a range, but if you're looking for exit signal, this is it. This is the point until the next signal comes, until the next 4 hour MACD golden crosses. Apple big jump up there, 2 points. For Apple, is 2 points is a lot, and because adopting Google. I remember when they announced iPhone, when they released iPhone, they had a YouTube app on the iPhone, and it really and they had Google Map, they had a YouTube app, and that really helped Google go higher, get a lot. So anyhow, same thing right now. They want to get Gemini from Google, and looking bullish pre-market, but not as much as bullish as Google it is. So Google is much stronger than Apple if you want to play. 30 is up 1 hour, 4 hours upward. Daily MACD is golden crossing, and 174.95, 175.82 is the next key level to watch. Breaks those, we're looking at 177.23, 178, 179.51. With this good news, it is possible 180 to come before FOMC. Amazon, nothing special pre-market. 1 hour and 30 minutes as upward. If it runs up, we're looking at 176.63 and 177.43 is the next key level to watch. Above that, if it tags along with the market, 180.02. Nvidia event starts today. I think it's for 3 days, and it making a gap up like almost 20 points. 31 hours upward. Sorry about that. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, which is very good. With whenever Nvidia 4 hour MACD golden cross goes for a crazy run up. So 903, 911, those are the next key level. Passes that, we're looking at 917, 927, 936. If 891 can hold it, lower levels are 885, 880, 877. Next major 663, 863. AVGO showing some signs of life, finally making some bounce up. It's been running down non-stop since the earning. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. It did golden cross, was golden crossing on Friday, but then it went down. So right now it's making a better valid golden cross. So 1267 is the key level to watch. Past that one, 1281, 1292, and 1304. Coin, as I mentioned before, I replaced BABA with Coin, so I'm not covering BABA anymore. I replaced it with Coin. 4 hour MACD is curved up. This one follows BTC a lot, but at the same time is keeping holding up stronger than BTC. So because even if BTC goes down, they still collect fees of selling. So 243, 4 hour MACD is curved up, so 243 if it passes 245, 248. Above that, the next targets are 254, 259, 57. Netflix pre-market 5 to 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we have red bars. I don't like that one. But if 611 passes, we're looking at 613, 615, 619, 22. Above that, it can run back up to 621, 625, 628. Need to have a 4 hour MACD golden cross to have a bigger chance of run up. Meta 6 points higher. 4 hour we got a yellow bar. It was a nice jump up last week, but then again, as always in the stock market, they say buy news, sell, buy rumors, sell news. So that's what happened. It went down big time, and right now 491.95. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, 493, 495, 497. Still 31 hour, 4 hour is bullish, but it's gonna be wild. More attention to them probably is gonna go to Apple and Google and Tesla. Tesla 7 points higher. That's awesome. So Tesla was interesting. Last few days it was opening, jumping and open, then fails going lower. Same repeat, repeat. At some point, when you see a stock act like that, at some point, it's gonna be, a solid run up, because that means the buyers are coming in. They're coming in at open, but they're failing. Again, they're getting sold. Bearish. The bears are stronger. But at some point, when it goes too much low, the bears be like, okay, that's it. Okay, let's take profit. That's enough. At some, because they even think like, okay, maybe one of these run up is gonna go non-stop run up, and that's what's happening. And I'm not saying this is it. This is the bottom. We're gonna run up from here. No, daily and weekly are still super bearish. So it is possible that maybe it opens, maybe it jumps a little bit again and goes lower again. But at the same time, 4 hour MACD is golden cross, 1 hour is upward. So this run up, 30 minutes is very bullish. So this run up is gonna last until the 1 hour MACD dead crosses. And I don't like right now that we're getting a dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze on 30 minutes. So if you do have a swing, you want to consider locking or gains at open. But if it gives a deep, that's gonna be a good opportunity to buy again. For today, I think it's gonna be probably most likely another gap up tomorrow. It did gap up today, a high chance gap up tomorrow too. So if it pulls back 168, 166.07, those are the support to watch. If it gets crazier, those are the levels. But 170.47 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 172, 174, 177.59. With this strength, It is possible to get to near 180 if it gets crazy. 183.35 this week. Um, yeah. So enough Tesla. Microsoft went down 3 points. I was actually more stronger pre-market. It was up to 418, but then because I think because of news of Apple and Google, it falls. So fell down. So right now, but it's recovering. Is holding 411. If it recovers 413, 415 is a key level to watch for running back up 416, 418 and higher. Down it goes to 420 today. But if 411 can hold it, we're looking at 409, 406, 403. 130 and 1 hour is downward, 4 hours pointing down. So 411, if it can hold it, can go much lower. Google, big time jump up there. That's crazy. 148.94, 150, 155. Those are the next key level. All time high is 153. If 155, if 151 passes, we're looking at 152, 154, 156, 68. Those are the next major level. With this speed, with this jump up, there is a high chance new all-time high comes this week. Yeah, so 156, 68. AMD 2 points higher, tagging along Nvidia. Next key levels are 195, 197. Above that can run back up to 200, 203. Watch Nvidia, has a big effect on AMD. Boeing, nothing special. I'm almost about to give up on this name too. I love it, but yeah, so we'll see. 183 and 178, those are the higher and lower level. SPY opening 4 points higher, 513.74 pass. We're looking at 514.7, 516.26, and 517.82. If 512, 511 can hold it, back to 509 and 507. Same thing like ES, looking bullish. 4 hour MACD is curved up. QQQ, 4 hour MACD is golden cross. 15:30, 1 hour is upward. Next key level to watch is 439, 441. 441 most likely is going to come out open. Past those, we're looking at 442, 443.65, 445.27 is the next major level. If 437, 436 can hold it, those are the next support level: 434.79, 432.79, 431.55. What else? IWM 1 point higher, need to pass 203.98 to run to 206.7. To do what else you got here? ABMB 1 point higher. Um, Nothing exciting there. Adobe need to pass 500 to get interesting. I'll wait for the 4 hour MACD golden cross to get interesting there. What else? That's pretty much it. MSTR is still holding up strong, even though BTC went to 65K this weekend, but it's still holding up. Still very bullish and very on daily and weekly, but at some point, I don't know. We'll see. I think the same that happened last time is gonna happen again because the value of the company is much bigger right now than the BTC that they're holding. And 2 months ago, the value of their market cap was much lower. Not much lower, but it was lower than what the value of the BTC they were holding. So basically, they put almost like zero value on the company because they have debt too. They have a lot of debt on buying this BTC. But right now, with the BTC run up, and suddenly the company worth like more than twice the BTC that they're holding. So there's something wrong there. There's something mispriced. We'll see. Time will tell. But the premiums are just super crazy. Um, Q come 3 points higher. Next level there is 173.33 and 176.1. SMCI 1100 mental level 1115. 1105, 1115 pass. We're looking at 1129, 1147. It's got added on Friday to S&P 500, which was interesting. It seems like they added like 10% of the company. What else? That's pretty much it, I think. PayPal is just non-stop. Every day is going up. That's something to keep an eye on it. 4 hour MACD is already dead cross, so we'll see today if it goes or not. But if it goes, 63.86 and 64.95 is the next key levels. And that's it. Now, let me see your symbols. CELH. This one, daily MACD is curving down. Made a new all-time high last week. It's all about 95.26. Oh, it's a new all-time high actually right now. Yeah, no. So 95.26. That's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, next major levels are 102 and 111. Those are the next long targets. Above 111, I have to draw my new fibs. But yeah, pre-market nothing special. It's still 30 and 1 hour is upward. So just watch 95.26 for running up. In general, very, very, very bullish and weekly. LRCX. To LRCX. This one, 15 and 30 and 1 hour is upward, 4 hour curved up. 931 is a key level to watch. Above that, we're looking at 950, 982, and then 1013. And these are the levels. Looking bullish. So if Nvidia runs up, the semis goes, this one tags along too. CHWY, last one. So this one, I'm not too much familiar with this name. It's already below the all-time high that all-time low that I drew before. 4 hour MACD's golden cross. So watch the previous all-time high, which is 1809. Once it passed that one, then it can get interesting. But until it's below the previous all-time low, which was 1809, be cautious. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is upward. Earning is coming up, so that could have a huge effect. All right, thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.